Anna.
I am Brian.
And today we're going to be opening toys. The first one we have here is BB-8 from Star Wars. He's on the good side. The second one here is Autobot Squeaks from Transformers.
And here is Thor from Marvel.
And Bentley wants to help us today. So, Bentley, which one should we open first? Do you want to play a game, Bentley?
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Close your eyes, spin around.
And close your ears. Okay, so the first one is going to be, we're going to have 3 fingers. The first one's going to be the BB-8 from Star Wars. The second one is going to be Thor. And the third one is going to be Autobot Squeaks from Transformers. So let's ask him, Bentley. Autobot Squeaks.
Yes.
So, there is Autobot Squeaks.
Here's his gun.
And he comes with
This
a remote.
looks like the machine gun, the normal gun they use in Transformers, and these look like rockets.
And he comes with a remote, so he's probably going to need batteries. So and he looks very realistic. He looks like he's been burned or he's very old. And on the tires, he has like little scratches. So I'm going to put in the batteries for him.
I know where the batteries. And since Brian's doing something right now, let's right now open another toy.
Please.
I opened just. So right now we're going to open Thor. Toy. And you open it, Mike. I'll hold it. So here is Thor. I took off his hair while I was taking him out. Here's his hair. You can take his hair off. His hands. His hair. See? And there's another thing. He has a red cape. And here are his 2 other hands. And here's his stuff. Let's open the other one. I got it out. The 2 hammers. This looks like a blue one. And this one looks like an old one.
So did you see the movie, The Thor?
Yes, I saw Thor Ragnarok.
And
This doesn't look like
which
a
movie, which actor you like it? You like it as Spider-Man, Batman, Thor, or which one?
Well,
Your favorite superhero is Thor, Brian.
Yeah. Well, for DC Comics is Superman, for Marvel's Thor.
What about you, Bentley?
I like for DC Superman and for Marvel Spider-Man.
And what about you, Brian?
So here's
For
his
DC
hammer.
Comics, I like Supergirl, and for Marvel, I like Scarlet Witch.
Why?
Because she is cool, and she has red powers.
So this looks like it can hold his hammer.
She's one of the strongest Marvel characters.
Okay. What about the Black Panther?
Black Panther is a king, so yes, he's strong. He has an army and everything.
He has rhinoceroses.
And this is very strong.
So what does Thor do? What is his
the
power?
God of thunder. But then he's bad.
This down.
Oh, did you do it?
Twerking.
All right, let's see.
Okay, well, now we're gonna put on his gun.
Yeah. Right.
Welcome back to 5D
The
Adventures.
So
We just finished reviewing this
Squeaks.
guy, the Squeaks Transformers.
and Thor. So now we have BB-8 left.
From Star Wars. Okay,
So
let me just
now-
open him up.
What toy do you like best?
I think it's Squeaks. 'Cause
Same.
it's remote. Oh, there's a button. There's a button here. At the very top, there is a little button, and you can press it, lights up, and makes noise.
Uh-huh. What's this?
There's a little patch here that opens up.
And it looks like
Not
there's
really
something
sure what it
inside.
does, but it just opens up.
Okay, very good.
That's it.
That's it. So next time, what you will be presenting? Next time you will do review on toys.
On Frozen.
Cool. Let's see.
So this time we did the boy toys. So next time we're gonna do the girl toys.
Tell us in the comments
Which
That
ones you
was
like
fun.
best?
and if you saw the golden ball.
Saw the golden ball.
Are you a copycat? We have little cat there who is like to copy everyone.
Tell us in the comments which of the toys you